After creating users, teams, and applying specific user rights, you may want to create individual and team targets. This is done by going into the Target section in Company Admin tab. Add a new target schedule, which can be measured weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or yearly. Select a start date. Provide a name for the target, and confirm whether you are basing the target on turnover, gross profit, units, or monthly recurring income. The target schedule is now shown as being available. Repeat this step should you wish to create a different target schedule to appear on a user's dashboard. Click on a user or team and add the appropriate target schedules to each. You can apply user or team-specific values for up to 4 available tiers: Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Once you are happy with the created targets, save the changes. The new target schedules will now be available upon login for each rep as either individual or team targets, depending on their team-specific permissions. Cloud Quote. Click and easy.